Hello kids! Today we are going to draw a cute little strawberry. Let's get started. Great! Our strawberry is ready. Now we are going to add some detailings. Now we're going to fill red color in our strawberry. Now we are going to color our leaves. Light green color, dark green color, now we are going to make some seeds. Great, our strawberry is ready. Now it's time to add some detailings. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.